Let's start here with the first one, the one that is in fact up 60+%. This is going to be Tilly's. The ticker is TLYS. Tilly shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q4 financial results and issued Q1 sales guidance above estimates. You can see the stock traded up to about $3 yesterday. In the pre-market, it's a little bit weaker here today, but it really didn't break down and it didn't give back a whole lot. So I'm fairly optimistic about its prospects for trading here today. Quick peek at the short interest on this name, 5.72% of the float shorted, 16.18 days to cover. Now, one of the reasons for that is that it trades on an average 100-day volume of 283,000 shares. It's done over 18 million here today. So I wouldn't be blown away by that days to cover number, but keep that in mind because we might actually have some squeezy potential here on the stock. Float on this is 12.26 million. And then really quick, those earnings. So the EPS was 10 cents. It beat the 15-cent loss estimate. That's actually a pretty good EPS beat. Sales were 155.13 million. That beat the estimate of 148 million. And they see Q1 GAAP EPS of 34 to 27 cent loss. And they see sales of 119 to 125 million. That was versus the estimate of 108. So that's a pretty good guide too. 13, what do you think here on TLYS?
Well, I didn't look into why they anticipate an EPS loss that large next quarter. Probably has something to do with taxes, but I didn't bother looking into that. The earnings were great, massive beat on the EPS. Sales were great, and then of course, like you said, they guided much higher. The mid-range was much higher than the estimate, the 108 estimate. So we've already given back some of the move that took us up to 310. Looks to me like 285 is now the big resistance area to recapture. Once we lost that when we opened in pre-market, we've had one attempt at trying to recapture it about 705 this morning. That led to lower prints. But we also have a bit of a trend line here based on all the price action going from the after hours into the pre-market here. So I would be watching for a move back over that trend line. And if we get that, then I think that 285 resistance level is going to come back into play.
Did you connect it through the two after hours ones, or did you incorporate this one in the pre-market?
I did, but it's for some reason it doesn't. I don't know why it looks so different compared to my broker, but yeah, the trend line goes right through that high in the pre-market. So
okay, so that's fine. So this is what it probably looks like on your screen. Very similar. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, we just chopped off the wick. We do that all the time. That's all. So
okay. So I'm just waiting for to see what the price does with this movie or this trend line here. We're right at VWAP and some of the other EMAs, so those have to hold up, and we're like testing them right now. So if those don't provide support, then it looks like the 65 EMA is going to continue to be under pressure.
Okay, really good breakdown. TLYS, and really quick, I actually should have covered this earlier. I'm sorry. Tilly's Incorporated works as a specialty retailer of casual apparel, footwear, and accessories for young men, young women, boys, and girls. Offers an unparalleled selection of relevant brand styles, colors, sizes, and price points. So I don't think I included that. We don't talk about Tilly's very often, but there you go.